Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term SEIKETSU, a Japanese term for sanitizing and standardizing. The 5 years practices like Siri, Saiten, Shizo, SEIKETSU and Shitsuke is a system for reducing waste and increasing productivity by maintaining an orderly work environment. It was first developed in Japan and perfected by companies such as Toyota, who implemented it in their later companies all over the world, adopted its methodologies and technique. It has truly become a world productivity system. Yet it has at its heart the values and practices of traditional Japanese culture. Saiketsu is not simply a momentary state of cleanliness, it is an attitude of cleanliness and consistent habit for keeping things clean. Not just clean, but actively clean. The clean and unclean are separated. Unclean things should not be introduced to clean areas. Periodic checks are made to find and remove unclean things. The Japanese home is a clean space. Efforts are made to prevent dirt from outside from entering the home. To avoid tracking dirt into the house, people take off their shoes without exception before entering. Even ambulance persons slip off their shoes before running into home to save lives. Many people also wash their hands and faces and may even change cloth after they arrive home. A Japanese home is supposed to be a heaven of comfort and cleanliness to those returning from outside. Saiketsu seeks to find optimal processes for each particular task, situation, and purpose. After the initial 5 step, the organizing and cleaning of Siri, Saiten, Shizo, Seiketsu develop a consistent approach for the task and procedures. How often do they need to be performed and by whom? How thoroughly? Seiketsu is a system for maintaining and supporting ongoing and consistent Siri, Saiten, and Shizo activities. Seiketsu creates the job list, assignment, and scheduling for other 5 activities. Job list, name, task, describe procedure, name of the person or persons responsible, as well as the time the task to be done. Job lists are created for relatively straightforward tasks to be performed daily. Lists are also created for more complex weekly and monthly reviews. Just as in Siri and Seaton, all tools and material have their proper place. In Saiketsu, 5 years duties are scheduled for their proper times and integrated with other job activities. 5 years is not something added to job, it is an integral and necessary part of everyone's job. Thanks for watching. Bye.